So for this project, we were inspired by the outside. The wood accents from the floor to the structural columns and custom shelving introduced warmth, grounding the space and natural elements. The deep blue sectional sofa is the heart of the living room. Its plush, oversized design invites you to relax while adding a bold contrast to the neutral surroundings. It's the main character, and it's very comfortable as well. The fireplace is a key architectural feature wrapped in textured slate gray stone, adding depth and an organic feel while keeping a sleek, modern aesthetic. Our client Christy was very excited to have this space be a bit more masculine, a bit more elegant and refined, especially timeless. And I think that's what we did here. Moving into the dining area, the warmth of natural wood surrounds the space, from the slatted ceiling details to the soft, earthy curtains. A statement-like fixtures as a sleek, modern touch, perfectly complementing the marble-inspired dining table. And then the kitchen, a bold contrast of black and white, framed by clean lines and illuminated by a sculptural lighting. Matte finishes, seamless cabinetry, accompanied by glass, stone, natural elements. As you can see, it's going to be a very masculine and elegant space, which make it as functional as it is sophisticated. The granite countertop and backsplash provide both durability and a sleek, seamless look. Black fixtures and hardware enhance the modern aesthetic, while wood paneling on the dining ties the space to the natural elements seen throughout the home. Our beautiful curtains are made by Sophia Home, creating the perfect balance of elegance and warmth. Layered sheer white drapes soften the natural light, while the floor-length caramel-toned textiles add depth and cozy, refined touch to the space. In the guest bedroom, a deep blue accent wall with warm wood paneling creates a rich textured backdrop. A soft glow from the LED lighting enhances the depth, while the lush green bed adds a bold yet calming contrast, making the space feel both inviting and refined. The guest bathroom blends warmth and contrast effortlessly. Wood-looking tiles in the shower bring a natural spa-like feel, while slate flooring grounds the space with a bold textured touch. Black fixtures and accessories add a sleek modern edge, tying everything together in a refined contemporary design. For the stairs areas, you're gonna see that these stairs are something special. Solid wood from that warm, natural feel, but the best part is that as you walk up, motion-activated LED lights turn on, subtly guiding you upstairs or downstairs. As we go to the main bedroom, we have a beautiful detail in the ceiling made of wood that adds warmth and texture. The black painted walls and ceiling wrap the space in an intimate, modern vibe. Subtle LED strip highlight the details, and pendant lights hanging above the nightstands were added so that our client can read at night if he wants to. All these details together make the room feel effortlessly masculine, modern, and cozy. Sheer drapes were added for softening the natural light that provide us with a bit of privacy from outside. In the main bathroom, I think the most beautiful element for this bathroom is standalone bathtub, complemented with warm wood textures and elegant black accents. We have a beautiful view from the window. If our client wants to be in the bathtub, they can enjoy the view through the large angular window, bringing nature inside. On the other side, the shower with wood accents and a toilet are discreetly tucked away, maintaining a clean and seamless design. Warm, masculine, and elegance is a theme that we're trying to create all over this house. Massive stone, soft indirect lighting, slate flooring, black fixtures, glass, and wood. As you go in the hallway, you're gonna find the main closet. It's a walk-in closet. We have this beautiful mirror in front of it, so you have the illusion that the closet is a bit longer when it's not. But the furniture there is very beautiful because it goes all the way in the wall, and it creates this sense of warmth within the space. Even though it's a very small space, you can actually have a lot of clothing. We have a beautiful skylight, and that provides in the daytime with a beautiful light throughout the day. In the other side, we have a guest bedroom, also with their own bathroom, a clean, relaxed design for guests with wall lights for reading, ceiling LEDs, and a bathroom with great tiles and interesting shaped mirror that we had to make custom because our ceiling there is also slanted. In the living room, the fireplace stands as a striking focal point. Clad in textured stone with sharp black detailing, its sleek, modern design contrasts with the warm wood flooring and soft drapery, adding depth and character to the house. we really love this fireplace very much. So while using stone, using wood, and using natural materials all over the house, we managed to integrate everything that was outside to be felt inside and not make it feel too extremely cabin. The home blends warmth, elegance, and functionality, with carefully selected materials and thoughtful details shaping every space. A perfect balance of comfort and style designed to be lived in that actually feels like a house, a home for our client, and he can enjoy this every time of the year. You're gonna still feel the surroundings outside every time that you are inside.